Hello everyone. I hope y'all have a good summer break. Spring summer break. Have almost a week, right? Today we're getting into the new session. This is the first day of the session start in summer 1. And if you have ever taken class with me before, either in classroom physically or on Zoom, that will be always going to see me and on Zoom in certain time, meet in certain time. If you get a question, we get a question answered and discuss the project progress. But this course is going to be different. This course is going to be totally online. It's going to be asynchronous. This is the very first time I teach a synchronized course. I always believe, the interaction between the instructor and the students all together will generate some energy engagement. But let's try this format and see if this works well too. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to explain how the course is set up and go through the syllabus. And hopefully within 15 minutes, I will be able to finish. So once you log in the Canvas, of the course INFM 340, then you will see this as a home page with the information on the course and of course my information and my phone number, and I'm available for meetings individually or small group if y'all have question as a group on Monday to Thursday from 11 to no, actually this is wrong, 10 to 12 on Monday, 10 to 12 on Monday to Thursday. So it's just kind of a 1 hour off. So if you have never used a Canvas before, please click on here and play the Canvas overview. And if you have been here, I know you take this class, you probably already have a lot of experience with Canvas. So I'm going to go directly to the syllabus. I didn't put all the information on the syllabus here, but highlight some very important things about this course putting on here. But you do able to download the full version of the syllabus from here, or just click here to review each of the pages. 8 pages. These have detailed information of my office hours and also what the synchronized and prerequisite for taking online class, all of those details. I'm going to highlight a few things here. So first, what are we going to talk about in IT innovation and informatics? So for taking this class, first, I would hope you already have some kind of little programming logic and programming experience, and you have this management of computer and information system last session. And if you haven't done that, because we just started, and if you have a lot of experience in IT already or taking a lot of courses already, I may already let you in. So that's why you're here. So within this course, students will study fundamental concepts and issues of informatics and innovation of IT. IT is getting everywhere. Emerging technology penetrating everywhere. So how we can use this emerging technology to benefit human, and particular for you or your community and your family, your work and your organization. So I hope this course can be related to your cognitive area study if you're IT and informatics major, can link to your later capstone or a portfolio. That would be good. And students can explore some new IT innovation opportunities and conduct research on IT, how IT and emerging technology can improve organizations' functions and benefit to the society. So I'm not going to read all of this, but we're going to start with some introduction to the emerging technology and theory, and then application, and then we're going to let you to define a problem you see in the society and then apply the knowledge you learn in the first few weeks and to solve the problems in a totally innovative way. Another term we use is disrupt. Disrupt technology that's another word you can use. So by the end of the course, student learning outcome. So what are you going to take with you for the course? First, you'll be able to describe the issue of innovation in IT and their your cognitive areas, which if you are want to do more on the data analysis, data science part, that you may want to learn more about the tools and the technology to support the data science, and some Python and some analysis package. If you are in the human service and you think the virtual realities, augmented reality can be using for training, then maybe you should using that as a topic towarding to your final project. So you will be able to identify potential effect of the emerging technology or innovations on society, on the civic impact, and explain how the innovation process, how to get an idea and then converting the idea to apply to the real problem and to get it solved. And so nowadays we have a certain job. At the same time, we need to thinking about to prepare for future job. So some of you may have a dream work, have something you would always love to do, but haven't get a chance to set up some set business or idea together. So this could be an opportunity for you. So from something, I know you all love technology. So from technology part and then to apply to a real application to solving a problem, which can be scaled up. So that's one opportunity. And also you should be able to demonstrate knowledge how to use technology in the new meaningful ways and conceptualize a new application or an emerging technology solutions to solve the real world problem. It's kind of similar idea. So basically at the end of the course, I hope you can either build your profiles and learn a new language or take away some tools you can use for your cognitive areas or for your work, or you can build some startup business with the technology you think you can apply and to solve some social issues. As far as the textbook, I pick a couple of textbook. There is so many technology books on in the market, but I decided to pick 2 reading book, so which can help us to understand how the technology being transitioned from last 20 years to current and to the future. So the first 2 books, one is Disruption, Emerging Technology and Future Work. And that book is covering about 18 areas of emerging technology. And the second one is 12 Ways Understanding Technologies by Kevin Kelly. He's very famous on the TED Talk. We can bring some of his talk later. Some other books, Technology Entrepreneurship, and Platform Revolution, how network and market are transforming the economics and how to make them work for you. So if you're a small business owner, how to social marketing, how to utilize social computing, which means social media, to advertisement for your business to get a exponential customer traffic result. So all of those is a great books to read, but that's just a reference book for some more ideas. So as far as the grading system, we're going to have discussion count as class participation each week. I already posted the very first introduction discussion there. Learning content quiz, which is going to be probably 5 times. I give the quiz out and then give you certain windows, probably a couple of days or 3 days. Maybe you get 30-40 minutes to do one quiz. So if you have 30 minutes isolated, can be yourself, then you can start. Until that point, don't start. Emerging technology challenging, this could be 2 formats. One is reading articles and news about technology challenges and writing a paper, or learning a new tools or tutorials, follow tutorials to learning a new skill. And then the individual or project or team project, I allow 2 persons to be a team so you can work together, but no more than 2 persons. But if somebody in the team is dropped, then the other one have to take over to make sure the remaining job can be done. So that's all the assignment will be. And here is a detail of the rubric, how you're going to be grading. Class participation, like I said, is going to be on discussion. Learning content quiz will be more focused on the readings and the content each week, so we gave assignment. And this is explained learning the new emerging technology or writing a report. And team projects start with needs finding, proposing the solution, and project management, design, and implement the solution, which is a very important part. And then define the role of organization, you and your team members, and creating the final deliveries. If you start off a small business, right? And then if you want to create an Amazon store, for example, then you create a store. That's one of the deliverable. You have a hyperlink for that. And then at the same time, so you're going to utilize probably digital marketing and like creating a Facebook, Twitter account, and promotion, doing promotion. So all of those packaged together as a final deliverable. And the final report and presentation as well is due by 8 weeks 8. Peer evaluation is between you and your team member, and professional communication is for the whole project or the whole class. We should communicate professionally because we almost get ready to go out to work. So the last thing is the schedule. The first week we're going to get an overview of the course, and then the focus content for the next 7 weeks. No, actually 6 weeks would be each week have a different topic. As I said, the emerging technology will be introduced, and I give you some links for you to watch the videos and understand each of those emerging technology. And then by week 5, we're going to start team up and assign roles of the organization project. And then we're going to start needs finding, user analysis, and 7 weeks of function, design, management. And then by 8 weeks, you're going to finish the final project. So that's pretty much about the syllabus. And as I said, you can click on here and to see the full version of the syllabus. I have much more details, my contact informations, and prerequisite for taking online class. Read very carefully each of the sessions. It's going to be able to help to answer a lot of your questions before you reach out. Okay?